In this video, I will show you how to use a USB drive just like this one over here on your Skyworth Smart TV. Now over here, I have the Skyworth Google TV, but whether you have a Skyworth Android TV, following the same steps, you should be able to listen to music, play videos, and even watch images from your USB drive on any Skyworth Smart TV you have. Now first things first, one thing you have to note is that not all USB drive can actually work on your Smart TV. For a USB drive to actually work on any Smart TV you have, it has to be formatted at FAT32. And while some USB drives are already formatted at FAT32 by default, some are not. But the process of doing this is not so difficult, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a second. So to format your USB drive at MS-DOS FAT32 and make it compatible with many other devices like your TV, smart boxes, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and connect your USB drive to your laptop. So I'll go ahead and connect mine just like so. Now once your USB drive is connected to your laptop, you want to go ahead and open up your file manager on your laptop. Now go ahead and locate your USB drive on your laptop. You can literally see mine over here, and then you just want to right click on it. Now from here, you just want to go ahead and click on the format option over here, just like so. And then make sure that the file system over here is FAT32. You can literally see that it is default over here, but if it is not default on your laptop, just make sure it is actually FAT32. You can also do this on your MacBook or your Mac as well. And once you've selected FAT32, you want to go ahead and click on start, and it will automatically format your USB drive and make it compatible with any smart TV or any TV box or TV stick you want to connect it to. Once you're done, you want to head over to your Skyworth Smart TV and then go ahead and connect your USB drive to any of the USB ports on your Skyworth Smart TV. And once your USB drive is connected, you're going to get a notification just like that one, indicating that a USB drive has been connected to your Skyworth Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and open it up directly, or you just want to scroll down to the list of apps over here on your Skyworth Smart TV. Go ahead and open up the media player or file manager app on your Skyworth Smart TV. On this particular Skyworth Google TV, I actually have the media player app over here, and as you can see, it is actually named the multimedia player. So go ahead and select it, and you should be able to find the USB drive that is actually connected to your Skyworth Smart TV. You can go ahead and click on it to open up the media player, and from here you can find all of the files, videos and images that are on your USB drive. So I can go ahead and select this particular movie over here and then just select it just like so, and automatically that video will start playing on my Skyworth Smart TV. It is also important to note that not all file types can actually be accepted, but majority of the file type that you probably want to play on your TV would definitely work. That is basically how to use a USB drive on your Skyworth Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.